The freshly collected dairy milk now begins its carefully controlled journey. Continuous monitoring protects the quality of dairy milk during transport. Every kilometer brings the dairy milk closer to industrial processing. Unit 4, confirm temperature check.
Modern logistics keeps dairy milk moving efficiently and safely.
Thousands of liters travel daily through an organized transportation network.
Regular inspections help maintain safety and product integrity.
The destination is now drawing closer. Ahead stands the facility where raw dairy milk becomes a finished product. A vast network of technology awaits the incoming dairy milk. Every delivery follows strict arrival procedures. Verification begins before a single drop enters the facility.
Gate 4, tanker cleared.
Now the dairy milk officially enters the processing environment.
An organized industrial ecosystem supports every stage of production. The receiving station serves as the gateway to processing.
Back it up, straight back.
Precision positioning ensures safe and efficient unloading.
Every batch is documented before entering production.
One final inspection prepares the dairy milk for acceptance. Before unloading begins, the dairy milk must pass rigorous testing.